How to delete history on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your history on Google Maps. For that, open your Google Map application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here click on your profile icon at the top right corner to access more menu. And from the menu that appears, click on the settings option and you will be taken to the settings area. Here scroll down and there you will find Maps History option. Click on this option. You will reach to this section where you will find all your activities of your Google Maps. You will find all the search history that you have searched previously. Now to delete it, click on this delete button right here, and then you will be presented with the options to delete, whether you want to delete the history of just today's or custom range or all the time. If you want to delete all your history, click on this delete all time and confirm it by clicking on delete one more time at the bottom. So the history has been deleted. Click on got it, and now to check it, return back to your application and you can see you have successfully cleared history from your Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.